Welcome back to Olsenja. And it's Easter morning. Easter morning. And he gave us candy.
The Easter Bunny came last night, and as you know, he always leaves treats and other stuff. I hope you have
I hope you have a fantastic day.
A fantastic day.
Alright, it's just a part of a hobby, okay?
a good Easter. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give a video.
So thumbs up if he really thumbs this up.
No, thumbs it up. Let's get started to the video.
Chocolate rabbit.
A shovel, pea, yellow peas, chocolate bunny, pea, and of course he left us some eggs.
Candy. He brought us chocolate bunnies.
Peeps. He also got us some gardening material, and as he does every year,
Cupcakes
of
with
course
candy.
he got us eggs. Those are egg cupcakes. And he also got us peeps. These are mine. And one chocolate.
It's jelly bean alert. Mine.
He also bring us candy. Milky Way, sneakers.
He opened it for me because you got it.
Ooh, and my favorite, Twix.
I'm gonna open a cupcake. Oh, there's tiny little candies inside.
Jelly beans?
Obvious. The Easter Bunny poops jelly beans.
No, he doesn't.
Remember on that video?
Oh, poop jelly beans. Who's giant poop though?
This smells good.
On Jack Frost, you might know him.
You might know that I ate a carrot.
He met the Easter Bunny and he doesn't poop out jelly beans.
Yeah, but on top, when he wanted to give me brown.
Oh, this is lime. I just got a lime one.
Oh, I got some thing to it. Oh, my goodness.
Jelly beans. Here's one that you can get. Here's one that you can also
What's an
get.
egg?
And then you get a spray bottle for water. And
Then
it
you
still
get
has other little pouches for other gardening material that you might want to put in. And
Vegetable and jelly bean. There's jelly bean alert! Jelly bean alert! Jelly bean alert! Jelly bean alert!
hey, Lily.
Jelly bean alert! Jelly bean alert!
A jelly bean wrapped on the floor.
You get my jelly bean? No, that was my jelly bean. Yeah, but where should I get?
Do you think we got the Harry Potter jelly beans? It doesn't taste like earthworm.
Maybe you did.
I mean, not as bad as earthworm, it just tastes like earthworm. More jelly beans. The other one.
Oh,
You dropped it on my candy.
they're in like little bags.
Get closer.
I dropped a piece on the floor.
Okay.
My candy. Do you open this?
If you're wondering what's right here, then that's actually confetti.
No. Oh, confetti. Confetti. It's taped.
Don't worry, we can open it. Okay. I untaped it. Grab whatever confetti egg you like. Ooh, they're paper mache.
They're paper mache.
Wait, Maggie, no, throw it on the ground. They're paper mache. Paper mache.
You dropped it in. One.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Confetti.
Oh, wait, watch this.
Confetti in my hair.
Wait, watch this.
That looks
What's
gorgeous.
this?
Oops. Where's the confetti egg?
Oh, they're actual eggs? I did not know that. Oh my goodness. I didn't know they were real eggs.
They are. Oh my.
Where's all the confetti eggs? Where are all the confetti eggs?
Oh.
Where are all the confetti eggs?
You'll pay for that, Mommy.
Confetti in my hair looks good. I should just call sprinkle cupcake. Where are the other confetti eggs?
The very last one?
Lily had some.
Lily, can I have one? Lily, can I have forgot to open the peep.
I did.
Here's some weird eggs.
Hey, that was my seat. My seat. You open this. You open this, Mommy.
You just pull them apart. They're like this.
My candy.
Oh, they're cute little bunnies inside.
Mama, put those back in there.
How cute. This is Lily's.
I can't open mine. It's so hard to open.
Mommy.
All different colors.
Mama.
Oh, cute. Okay. Let's put them back in.
This I cannot open.
Oh, this one doesn't have bunnies.
Yes.
Isn't it? Oh, this has a bag of bunnies in it.
Yeah,
Weird.
some of them have.
Stop it, Maggie.
Lily's trying to neatly put her stuff together. Maggie's just in chaos. So anyways, we got some crunchy bunnies.
Mine.
Little crispy bunnies. Double crisp, little crispy,
That's my
little creepy. Dun. We got some Three Musketeers, my favorite.
My favorite.
We got these confetti eggs that are actually real eggs. Isn't that crazy? Did not expect that. We got a little trowel for digging, a little rake for raking, a little bag for carrying all our tools and candy, Melissa and Doug, and this little spray bottle to help with cleaning.
No, to help spray down the plants.
I'm gonna pour confetti on your head.
We got these blue little peeps,
Mine.
And the yellow little peeps.
My piece.
and we got jelly bean eggs. Oh yeah.
Mommy, my favorite.
This jar
My
for
favorite,
jelly
Mommy.
beans.
My favorite. My favorite.
Mackie's favorite, Three
Milky Way.
Musketeers.
I love
No, Three Musketeer.
Oh.
Tons of chocolate.
And there's the noise.
Oh, and a Twix.
Twix.
Yummy to my tummy.
Thanks for watching us. Thanks for watching our Easter video. We all hope you have a merry, happy Easter. Don't forget that this is the day Jesus rose from the dead.
To save you from your sins. Because he loves you so very much.
I like it in my hair.
Stop it. Be brave. Stay wild. We'll see you on the next video.
Oh, poop. Always remember to rise back up and come to justice.
That's Ryan.
We'll see you on the next video.
And always remember the Easter Bunny loves candy carrots.
And remember to brush your teeth. Bye.
Bye.
We're saying.
Hold on. Daddy, the confetti eggs are actual eggs.
Oh.
And those confetti eggs are real. The confetti eggs are real.
Oh no.
Daddy, Daddy,
What?
the confetti eggs are real.
Yeah, they're real eggshells.
Where are the other confetti eggs?
The very last